talk about their babies too much, right? Guys, be honest, does this baby make me look pregnant? The second people find out you're pregnant, they instantly start treating you differently, but I am still the same person. I will do shots with you right now. Line them up. People are so nice to you when you're pregnant. They're like, here, take my seat. But I already have a kid, and I know the second this screaming baby flies out of me, everybody's gonna be like, this seat is taken. And I get it. I don't wanna sit next to my kid either. Definitely don't. I'm the unpreferred parent at my house. The one my kid wants nothing to do with. That's why I can't be here tonight. My daughter tells me things like, go away. And I'm like, I wish I could. The other day, she's like, when you braid my hair, you ruined my life. And I was like, you ruined mine too. Now we're even. I was putting her to bed the other night, and I was like, good night, I love you. And she was like, Mom? And I was like, yeah? And she's like, I don't like your name. And I was like, what name, Mom or Brittany? And she was like, Brittany. And I looked her dead in the eyes, and I was like, listen, I have been an actress in this town for 15 years. I have once been passed over for a one-line part in a Lifetime Movie of the Week to play a petite blonde with a small voice that I am pretty sure was based on me. Your rejection is doing nothing to me. Try again, bitch. You know how we all have an inner critic? You know, that voice in your head that's like, why did you get bangs? You're terrible at pickleball. Give up. I think I accidentally gave birth to my inner critic because now my inner critic is outside of my body, running around disguised as an adorable 4-year-old girl. I'm not kidding you. Before I came here tonight, I was like, bye, I love you, I'm going to a show. And she turned to my husband and was like, Mom doesn't have a job. Is this a job? Oh my gosh, but I'm not just a pregnancy mom comic, so anybody else tired of buying bridesmaid dresses for all their dad's weddings? My dad likes to get married, but he loves to get divorced. His last divorce, he told me, word for word, it's sad because she was the love of my life there for a bit. Oh, okay. I've been married for 5 years, or according to my dad, I'm almost done. And I love my husband, I do, but he is not the guy I glued to my vision board, like, not at all. From the day I was born, I was like, I'm gonna marry a Southern cowboy like Tim Riggins from Friday Night Lights. Thank you. He's gonna wear tight Wranglers, he'll drive a big pickup, he'll be slightly abusive, but in a forgivable way. And so I was really surprised when I didn't end up with a cowboy for Christ, but instead I married a nice European Jewish man from Switzerland. And I know everybody's like, I didn't know they had Jews in Switzerland. Well, they do, and they're really rich. It feels really good to be here tonight. I haven't done stand-up much since before the pandemic because I haven't had to. We do have a prenup, and when it was first proposed to me, I was horrified, but I am someone who struggles with self-worth, and when I saw how much the prenup said I was worth, I did feel a lot better about myself. You know, I don't come from that world. I'm from third generation white trash. Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas. When my Arkansas cousins first met my in-laws in Switzerland, instead of saying bonjour to them, they walked around being like, Bon Jovi. And now I'm walking into a fancy Swiss chalet in a Forever 21 crop top. It is terrifying. The only one who really gets me right now is Meghan Markle. She's my demographic. Just me and her. When I first started dating my husband, I was like, this is too much pressure. I can't handle it. I have to break up with him. And my dad actually gave me some really good advice. He was like, Brittany, you got this. Marriage is only 4 to 5 years of your life. So I hung in there. I learned French, not from my husband, but so his family would stop talking shit about me. And now they just switched to Italian. Thanks, guys. I'm Brittany Ross.